So now we welcome our today's main expert, President of Rajasthan Hospital, Dr. Viren Singh, who has worked throughout his life in pulmonology. And Dr. Viren Singh will be telling us, summing up the whole issue of today's meeting of the COVID-19, the second wave.
Namaskar. At the outset, I am thankful to Professor Dinesh Mathur Sahab for inviting me and giving opportunity to interact with you all. Friends, as you know, second wave is having very devastating effect. Not only the number of infectant is increasing sharply, but death is also in many fold in comparison to first wave. Both in our state as well as at national level, if we see, there are certain peculiar changes which we have observed in our clinical practice and while talking to our colleagues in different states. Important issue is that in the second wave, we are finding more younger population, at least in Rajasthan. What is the reason? At least I found out two reasons. First, above 60 years in Rajasthan, almost 80% of the population is vaccinated, at least one vaccine. So, if that is having some protection, then certainly in this elderly age group. And second thing is that probably paucity of agent, that is remdesivir, that may be one of the other reason. Now the question is, why we had second wave? Probably, if we think India got at least 4 months, December, January, February, and March. So those 4 months God has given us for preparation. Unfortunately, we just thought that it is all over and started merrymaking. The precious time of preparation was lost in pleasure activities. Now, and other thing is the basic defect in the approach is that there should be two things. Stop death. There are two basic aim of the pandemic. That is, first is stop death and other is stop disease. Stop death is a battle which is fought in hospitals. And at hospital level, we are fighting. There are serious patients and we are trying to save their lives with all sort of the armamentarium and zeal and enthusiasm of the medical profession. But second part, that is stop disease. Unless we stop disease, even if we have 1 lakh ICU bed, there will be shortage of those beds because the number is very high. Number of sick patient is very high. So the basic fact is that we must stop disease, and the one thing which is most effective is lockdown. Especially Rajasthan has taken a lead that on 17th it imposed, government of Rajasthan imposed lockdown, and what is the result? Before that, every day there was multiple increase in daily cases and the death. But after lockdown, usually we expect effect within 2 weeks. And what is the result? From 17th, if you see, by 30th April and 1st May onward, there is hardly any increase in new infections and the death. So now almost on the 1st May, 30th April, the total number of the patients, active cases was 2 lakhs in Rajasthan, and we have the capacity to cater very comfortably at least 1 lakh patient. So, but good thing is that after 1st May, it has this figure of 2 lakhs has not increased in last 7 days. So that has stabilized, rather plateau has come. Now, what is the need? Need of our is that if it decreases, if active number of active cases decreases, and what is the action? Today we are having the one of the most toughest lockdown, and probably with this there will be ban on the marriages. There were a lot of the patients who attended marriages and got sick. So it will prevent them, and I am hopeful that in 2 weeks' time, at least in Rajasthan, the figure will start showing decline, and that is need of hour. So summarizing my talk, dear friends, first thing is that we have to stop death by putting our skills in treatment, and second is stop disease. And in stop disease, I appeal you all that rather we should rather imbibe the habit of wearing three clothes: shirt, paint, and the mask. So, shirt and paint, when we come out of house, we wear, and we just take off only when we again reach in the evening. Similarly, we should wear mask, and mask should be of the same fitting level as shirt and the paint. So when we take with mask these three things, and we should not take out mask during our daily activities. कहने की बात है कि शर्ट सरक जाए 2 इंच चलेगा, मास्क नहीं सरकना चाहिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
Thank you very much. We are really proud of Dr. Singh. We are really thank you very much for the nice things. Absolutely, thank you very much.
Yes.